This giant mountain may look like trash, but it's actually worth millions of dollars. Every year, Americans throw away more than 300 million tires. So what happens to all these old tires? Do they simply end up in landfills? The answer is no. Today, massive recycling factories are transforming worn-out tires into valuable new products using some of the most powerful industrial machines on Earth. Chilo, let's see how millions of used car tires are recycled. The process begins when old tires arrive at recycling facilities from tire shops, auto repair centers, junkyards, and collection sites across the country. Thousands of tires are unloaded every single day. Before recycling starts, workers inspect the tires. Some tires in good condition are separated for resale or retreading. Retreading allows worn tires to receive a completely new tread surface, extending their lifespan and reducing waste. But severely damaged tires move to the next stage, and this is where things get interesting. Massive conveyor belts transport the tires toward giant industrial shredders. These machines are incredibly powerful. Using rotating steel blades, they tear entire tires into smaller chunks within seconds. The shredders can process several tons of tires every hour. Amazing, right? But the job isn't finished yet. The shredded rubber pieces still contain steel wires and textile fibers embedded inside, so the material passes through additional processing systems. Powerful magnetic separators automatically pull out the steel. This recovered steel is collected and sent to metal recycling facilities, where it can be transformed into new products. Next, advanced air separation systems remove lightweight textile fibers. After these stages, only clean rubber material remains. The rubber then enters secondary grinders. These machines reduce the material into much smaller particles. Some facilities grind the rubber into tiny granules known as crumb rubber. And here's a fascinating fact. A single recycled tire can be transformed into material for playground surfaces, athletic tracks, asphalt roads, and even new tires. Once the desired size is achieved, automated screening systems sort the rubber particles by size. High-speed vibrating screens ensure consistent quality. Only perfectly sized material moves forward. Large storage silos hold the finished rubber granules before packaging. Depending on customer requirements, the recycled rubber may be packed into giant industrial bags or shipped in bulk. So where does all this recycled rubber go? The answer might surprise you. Crumb rubber is widely used in sports fields and playgrounds because it provides cushioning and durability. Many modern roads also contain recycled tire rubber. Rubberized asphalt can reduce road noise and improve performance. Some manufacturers even use recycled tire material to produce floor mats, landscaping products, roofing materials, and industrial components. Pattern interrupt. Researchers are now developing technologies capable of converting old tires back into oil and fuel through a process called pyrolysis. During pyrolysis, tires are heated in oxygen-free chambers, producing valuable byproducts including fuel oil, carbon black, and synthetic gas. As recycling technology continues to improve, fewer tires end up in landfills. Instead, these giant factories are turning waste into valuable resources while helping reduce environmental impact. And that's how millions of used car tires are recycled into new products every year. Pretty incredible when you think about it. A tire that once carried a vehicle across thousands of miles can begin an entirely new life in countless different forms. Which part of the process surprised you the most? The giant shredders, the magnetic steel separation, or the transformation into brand new products? Comment below.